Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be creating an OS, that means an operating system in Scratch 3.0. You may copy some code of this tutorial but not all. Change your operating system's name, color theme and design so that your creativity is visible. So now let's get started. Start with when the flag is clicked for the desktop sprite. Set a new variable called desktop background. For all sprites. OK. Set desktop background to Enchanted Forest in the beginning when the flag is clicked or when the project is started. We'll go to looks and we'll take the block clear graphic effects, that means all the graphic effects present in Scratch. Hide, go to X0 and Y0, that is to the center of the screen. When I receive desktop, if else block from controls, another if else block in the else block, once again duplicated in the else block, and now take a normal if block without an else in the else. Go to operators, take the equal to sign, if equals to, if desktop background equals to Enchanted Forest, then switch costume to Enchanted Forest, create clone of myself. If desktop background equals to leaves, then duplicate this set of code, switch costume to leaves, create clone of myself. Duplicate this set of code once again for the other if block. If desktop background equals to magical tree, then switch costume to magical tree, create clone of myself. And now in the if block at the last, same thing, duplicate this. If desktop background equals to fairy house, then switch costume to magical tree, create clone of myself, change switch costume to fairy house and create clone of myself. Switch costume to menu ribbon, go to controls, create clone of myself, duplicate this code, switch costume to applications menu, create clone of myself, duplicate this code again, switch costume to assistant, create clone of myself again, switch costume to app shop, create clone of myself, again duplicate it, switch costume to clock app, create clone of myself. Once again duplicated. Switch costume to settings app, create clone of myself. Now we'll go to looks and we'll take the block hide. Now we'll start a new column of code. We're going to start as a clone show. Set brightness effect to -100, that means it will be black. Repeat 20, change brightness effect by 5. Set brightness effect to 0. When I start as a clone, forever, inside the forever block, take the if else block. Inside the if else block, in the if section, take the if block normal. If touching mouse pointer, then if equals to sign from operators. If costume number equals to 3, then set brightness effect to 25. Set brightness effect to 0 else. Now duplicated set of code. Switch costume number to 0. Change this 0 to 2. If costume number equals to 4. Duplicate this code again. Now change its value if costume number equals to 6. Now we'll add some more code in the costume number equals to 6. If mouse down, then broadcast a new message called settings to show up. OK. Now we'll duplicate this previous code. Change its values to if costume number equals to 5. When I receive settings show up, delete this clone. Now we'll move on to setting sprite. When I start, hide. When I receive settings to show up, switch costume to layout, create clone of myself, repeat 6 times, next costume, create clone of myself, and again next costume, it will repeat for 6 times. When I start as a clone, show, set brightness effect to -100, that means pure black again. Repeat 20 times, change brightness effect by 5, that means start to appear. Set brightness effect to 0 after the effect. When it starts as a clone, forever, if else block from controls. If you go to sensing, if touching mouse pointer, then else clear graphic effects. Now we'll code the if section. If touching mouse pointer, then if costume number equals to 4, then we'll go to looks and we'll take the block set brightness effect to -15. If else block beneath it. If mouse down, then we'll go to controls and we'll take the block switch costume to personalization text, create clone of myself, repeat 4 times, next costume. Create clone of myself after switching the costume. Beneath it, we'll add the code switch costume to personalization again. Take another if block beneath it. If costume number equals to 5, then set brightness effect to -15, duplicate it, change the value to 6. Same for costume number 7 and 2. Now in the costume number 2, we'll add some code. If else block, if mouse down, then broadcast a new message called desktop. Now for another costume number 3. For costume number 9, we'll add some more code. If mouse down, then set desktop background to fairy house. Again, if costume number equals to 10, same for costume numbers 11 and 12. Now we'll change the variable value to magical tree if the costume number equals to 10. If costume number equals to 11, then leaves. If 12 equals to enchanted forest. Clear graphic effects as we have already added. When I receive desktop, delete this clone. So, if you like the project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want more such videos, don't forget to put the notification bell on. Bye, meet you next time.